After parboiling your yam, you pack your yam inside. Very easy, very simple, very fast. You cover it. After covering it now, you press the second button. Anything yam, anything grinding, anything chopping, very, very easy, very, very simple, very, very fast. Wow. It pound your yam under 2 seconds. You can see your pounded yam. Very, very easy, very, very simple, very, very fast. You see your pounded yam. Wow. You see your pounded yam as you can see now. Very easy, very simple, very fast. You can see your pounded yam. Your yam is ready. Your yam, your stew, you see. Very easy, very simple, very fast. As you can see, they are enjoying the yam, eating the yam. After parboiling the plantain, put the plantain inside. Very easy, very simple, very fast. I found your plantain. Very, very easy, very, very simple, very, very fast. You can see your plantain is ready. Or for in case of your plantain, it pound your plantain. Very easy, very simple, very fast. Wow. You can see your plantain pound. Very, very easy, very, very simple, very, very fast. As you can see, you have your plantain. Very easy, very simple, very fast. Or seen on TV. You can also use it to do your moi moi, your beans for moi moi, beans for okpa. Very easy, very simple, very fast. Now you pack your beans for okpa for moi moi. You pack it inside the yam pounder machine. It can grind your tomato, grind your pepper, grind your ginger. Very, very easy, very, very simple, very, very fast as seen on TV. Yam pounder can pound your yam. It can grind your beans for okpa, for moi moi, for akara. It grind your beans for okpa, beans for moi moi. Very, very easy, very, very simple, very, very fast as you can see. You see your beans for okpa, beans for moi moi. Very easy, very simple, very fast. You see your beans for okpa, beans for moi moi. Very smooth, very simple, very fast. Same can use it to blend your tomato. Very, very easy, very simple tomato blender. You can blend your tomato very easy, very simple, very fast as you can see. Pack your tomato inside. You press it there under 2 seconds now. Blend your tomato, pepper, ginger, carrot. Very, very easy, very, very simple, very, very fast. You can see your tomato. Wow. It blend your tomato. Very, very smooth, very, very simple, very fast. You can see. You want to cut your okra. No need of using knife, no need of wasting time cutting your okra. After 2 seconds, a full housewife can prepare whatever the husband wants after 2 seconds. You put it on and tap it 1, 2, 3. After tapping 3 times, 2 times, you see your okra. After tapping 2 times, you see your okra cut. Very easy, very simple, very fast. Now you can see. You have your okra cut. Very, very easy, very, very simple, very, very. To cut your ugu leaf, no need of wasting time. Pack your ugu leaf inside. After packing your ugu leaf inside, under 2 seconds, a full housewife can prepare whatever the husband wants after 2 seconds. Now, you put it down, you tap it twice. Opportunity come but once. If it cut your ugu leaf, very, very easy, very, very simple, very, very fast. For your ugu leaf, you can see your ugu leaf. You want to mice your meat, very, very easy, very, very simple, very, very fast. You pack your meat inside. Under 2 seconds, you press it. When you press it now, you see your meat, it mice. Meat for meat pie, fish for fish roll. Very, very easy, very, very simple, very fast. You see you have something very, very nice, very simple. Your meat for meat pie, fish for, you use it to extract your orange juice, watermelon juice, apple juice, carrot juice, tiger nuts, coconut, aya, all of them. You pack it inside for your juice. You want to do your juicing, you pack it inside. After packing it inside, you begin to blend. Blend your pineapple, your watermelon. As you can see, it blend your juice, it grind your juice. Watermelon, pineapple, apple, carrot, tiger nut. In case of ice block, you add your ice block inside. Very easy, very simple, very fast. You crush it nicely, nicely, very smoothly. It blend very simple, very fast. You can see now as they turn it inside. As they are turning it inside, you see your juice. Very easy, very simple, very fast, very nice. You can see your juice. As they are enjoying the juice, as seen on TV, they are enjoying the juice as you can see. Opportunity come but once.